Hello there, the name is Prince Chumanemedu, and I want to welcome you back to PTA Studios. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you how to change a JPEG file format into an SVG file format. So without very much ado, let's get started. So the very first thing I would like to do here is to make sure we are being connected to the internet, and then I'm going to open my web browser. So in this case, I'm going to use Chrome. So make sure you type in SVG trace. Okay, and then I'm going to select the first results here. So it's going to load. So let's just assume I just want to do everything fast and move. I don't want to sign in, I don't want to sign up, I don't want to do anything at all. I just want to convert my image and then I'm off. What I would like to do is to select free tools here, and then as you can see, you have color to SVG, JPEG to SVG, PNG to SVG, SVG to JPEG, and the rest. So I'm going to choose PNG to SVG. Yeah, and it's going to load another page for me. So when it comes, the only thing I have to do is to click here in this box here, and then let me select this. That is my reference image here, and it's going to give you some things here. So it's just going to tell you this as the color that I'm going to convert. If you want to add any color, let's say I want to add this, I just click on it and then it's being added here, as you can see. So when you are done, you can just check how smooth it should be and then all those stuffs. If you're cool with it, I'm just going to leave everything as where it is and then you're just going to click on convert. So after clicking convert, you could see that it has actually done a good work for you by converting it into an SVG file format. So then you ask yourself, what is next? So what is next? You have to move to export and then download SVG, and then you just have to press on it to download the SVG. So you could see it has actually changed it for me. So let's just click here. Let's just open this, and then you can see if you are zooming in. Let me open my Illustrator file here. So open, and then let's go to trace. So I have it here now. So you can see if I zoom in, it has actually traced it for me here into an SVG file format here. I think it really did a good job. So with the exception of this, you can just try and take it out if you have the time. So this is how you turn any JPEG file format into an SVG file format. Thank you for clicking on this video. The name is Prince Chum, and I'm out.